Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Tickling Top 5. Since our today's video is about making the most use of our time, let's get to the real talk without wasting any time. So I know these are really difficult times for the world and we all have been locked down and there are many people out there who have no shelter and no food to eat, and we should do whatever we can do about it. And we should also thank all the health workers and other people who are doing great jobs to save our lives. But for people like us, it is really easy to say we are getting bored at home. What should we do? For privileged people like us, we have got a silver lining. We have all the time that we always wished we had. But still, some of us are, sorry to say, but some of us are big jerks, wasting all the time sitting idle, sleeping, playing games all the time. We can really make something out of this time. So I am here to tell you top 5 things that you can do during the lockdown. So without any further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Reading books. I can't stress enough on how much reading new inspirational books have benefits. It is far more than just improving your dictionary and languages. There are many books out there which can actually change the way you look at life. It can totally change your perspective. You can read psychology books and biographies, but just start with the genre which you guys like the most. I'm not going to list any of the books here. I'll definitely do that when the publishers offer me good money, but everyone has different choices. It is just a matter of getting started. Once you are habitual of reading, it can be really stress free as well, and you will learn a lot, trust me. So please try it. On number 4, we have meditation. Just meditate. There are innumerable ways and definitions of meditating out there, because the more the dicks, the more the talks. So what to do? We should definitely find a way, because it is really important in these stressful times. In my opinion, meditation is just about keeping your mind, body and everything else relaxed and just observe things. It can be complemented by some amazing relaxing music which takes the stress out. Inhale good energy, exhale bad energy. It is all about that. Do it few times and stay relaxed. Number 3, exercise. No matter what, exercising or engaging in any kind of physical activities in a day is really important. No, I'm not talking about the physical activities you are thinking, but it is really important, guys. What is the point of doing what we all do for a living if we don't focus on our health? Exercising and eating healthy is a must for mental health as well. It gets the good endorphins rushing. There are different kind of physical activities. I mean, there are weight trainings, strength trainings and other various cardiovascular activities that you can do, and you can shuffle amongst these a bit depending upon your goals. You all should really exercise. It keeps you young, improving the chances of other kind of physical exercise for a long time. Number 2, develop a new hobby. We all have got things that we wish we could do. It can be singing, dancing, etc., which we are not able to do because of our so-called busy lifestyle. Now you don't have any excuses. Your lifestyle is not that busy, so why don't we get on to it? Because we are lazy as is. We always just wish, we never do it. Some of you might come out of this as artists and make living out of your passion. So try new things, keep doing them, get better at it during this lockdown period. Number 1, spend quality time with your family. Yes, this is the most underrated thing that we can do. We don't realize how mad are we becoming about social medias and communicating with people who we don't know at all. And we don't spend time with the people who are actually so close to us. And we should at least learn from this time that we should really value what we have in life and be always grateful towards life, keeping aside all the ego, hate and negativity. There's no guarantee of tomorrow. These small tiny particles have made the world sit at home. It has failed the so-called superpowers of the world. So why to think even once before valuing people you are surrounded with, telling them how much they mean to you? Do this every day. Spend some good quality time with your family. It will really feel good. Okay, so that's emotional enough for today. And yes, one more thing. No matter what, keep the smiles alive. So guys, that's it for the video. Those were the top 5 things that you can do during this lockdown. If you have any other suggestions, let the people know in the comment box below. So thank you guys, you know the drill. If you liked the video, if this video was anyway valuable for you, like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Stay home, stay safe. See you all in the next video.